What's up YouTube, it's Anthony from Comp Studio and welcome back to your 48th Java programming tutorial. So in the last tutorial I told you guys a little lie. I said that we were going to be working with classes in separate packages, but I kind of changed my mind and I decided that we would learn how to navigate to our actual program within Windows. So I hope you guys can find it in your heart to forgive me for that lie that I made. I'm really sorry. No, I'm actually not, but anyways, we're going to be working on that today instead of working with classes in multiple packages. So to do this is going to be for Windows only. I'm going to do a tutorial on how to do it on my Mac, but yeah, that'll be right after this. So if you're using a Mac right now, just go to my next tutorial. That'll be where it is. So I'll probably name it like 48.5 or something, tutorial 48.5. And yeah, so if you're using Windows, it's time to start. So hit the start button and then go to documents right up here, that little button, and you'll be prompted by your documents folders, or the folders inside your document library. Next thing you want to go do is your NetBeans projects. That's the folder right here, and then inside of here you may or may not have a bunch of folders. So these are basically the projects that you've created in NetBeans. As you can see, I have a whole bunch of games that I've been trying, well, a whole bunch of games I started and actually probably didn't finish most of them. Yeah, ZBs, I don't know what that is. It's probably like zombies or something. But anyway, yeah, you'll get to know that when you're a programmer, you'll probably start a project and you won't end up finishing it because you get bored of it, or you like get stuck and you go on to the next project. That's what usually I do. And I know a lot of my friends do that too, probably. But yeah, that's the life of a programmer right there. So this was the project that we've been working on over the last, I don't know, 46 tutorials or something. So YouTube tutorials, that's your project name, and that, as you can see, it's just an ordinary folder. If you go into that, you'll have a whole bunch of folders and projects. I think it'll be the same as mine. So you have the source file, you have the NetBeans project, you have build, mainfest, file.txt, I don't know what that is, build.xml. Let me see this one sec. What? The cat. Nice. Cool. I guess I put that in there or something. I don't know who did that. But yeah, you probably won't have that, so I'm just going to delete that. Yeah, you will not have that, so don't worry about that. Build.xml, that's just an XML document. You guys don't have to worry about this. This is something that NetBeans and Java uses in order to build your project. Mainfest.mf, again, don't need to know it. Just something that Java uses again. And this is basically your most important folder, the source folder. If you go into this, you'll see another folder called YouTube tutorials, and this is actually your package folder, as you can see. So if we go into NetBeans really quick, I'll show you guys what I mean, so you guys can kind of visualize what's going on right here. If you go into your projects tab right here, if you click on that, projects, you'll see YouTube. So I'll back up here, bring that over there, the glory of Windows 7 right there. So back up, as you can see, YouTube tutorials is our project name, and this is actually our project name right here. If you click on that, we get into this stuff. If you go into your source folder, it doesn't actually show it here, but if you go into source, you'll see YouTube tutorials. This is actually our package name right here. If you go into this again, you'll find your YouTube tutorials.java, bam, tomatoes.java, bam. So that's basically what your project is. Your program is just a bunch of folders that contain some files that you created or Java created. But these are actually our source files. If we go in there, right click, we could edit with Notepad++ or whatever your text editor is, and you could see your source code right there. Oh yeah, by the way, I recommend Notepad++. It's not actually an IDE, but it's an editor that you could just like edit your code. You can't actually run it in this, but it's just nice. It's a lightweight editor that you could use. It's got like keyword highlighting and everything. It's kind of nice. Sometimes I use that. But yeah, so that's basically how you navigate to your project. So as you can see, it's just a whole bunch of folders with files in it. So I don't want to ramble on too long. So hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions about anything, please feel free to contact me, and comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.